Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you're doing fine. So, today we will learn about standing lines. You must be thinking what you will learn in standing lines. So, quickly start with the topic standing lines from Hi Kids Weather Cap. Okay, do you know what is a standing line? Let me tell you. Have you seen a pencil? This is a pencil and this pencil is in red color. Can you see this pencil? Now, quickly grab your pencil like this. Okay, then let's start. This pencil is in a standing line. Can you see this pencil? This pencil is in standing line from top to bottom. Top to bottom. Now quickly pick out your finger and trace the pencil like this from top to bottom. This is a standing line, okay? When we go from upwards to downwards, that makes a standing line, okay? Now, have you seen a clay? This is a clay and it is in blue in color. Clay is used for making different types of shapes, okay? So see, I have made a standing line from this clay. Can you see this? It's a standing line like top to bottom, top to bottom. And you know, I have many clays. Let me show you some clays. See, I have clays of different colors. Wow, can you see this? See, I have so many clays and all these clays are in standing line. Can you see? It's a green color clay and it is also in standing line. Okay, standing line from top to bottom. And can you stand straight like this? Yes, you're standing straight. That makes a standing line. Okay, so now look here. What is this? It's a picture of a tree. It's a tree and there are many leaves on the tree. Can you see this? There are many leaves on the trees. So, leaves are falling down from the trees. Can you see? Leaves are falling down. So, they are falling down in a downward direction. So, that makes a standing line because they are falling down from up to bottom. From up to bottom, they're falling. So, that makes a standing line. So, let's draw one standing line. From top to bottom, we will go down, 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 and then we'll stop. Okay, so that's a standing line, and that's also number 1. Okay, now let's draw one more time. From top to bottom, start, and then go down, 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 and here you stop. Okay, that's a standing line. Again, one more time. Start and come down, down, because leaf is falling down, 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 and here you stop. Okay, that's a standing line. One more time. Start and stop. This leaf is falling very fast and it stopped here. Okay, now one more time. This leaf is also falling down on the ground like this and then it will stop here. Okay, now one last time. This leaf is falling down, 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 and it will stop like this. Okay, so what we have done? We have drawn standing lines. These are all standing lines. Okay, now quickly take out one finger like this and draw standing line in the air from up to down, up, down. That's a standing line. Okay, like this, up, then go down slowly. That's make a standing line. Okay, I hope you have learned how to draw a standing line with me. Now, see you in the next class. Happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.